I'm completions manager for Spencer Group, looking after all of the handback packages. Basically, at the end of a project, we have to hand over a full manual and suite of documentation to the client to allow them to properly operate the site and run the project safely. But we start that process right from day one so that we get a full idea of what their specification is, what they need to see from us, and what documentation they're expecting at the end of the project to allow them to fully operate the plant. It's an instruction manual from the ground upwards, giving them information on the design process, if they ever needed to dismantle anything, take anything apart, decommissioning, maintenance information. It gives them a full specification of what's included within that building and what they need to do to ensure that it operates at its full maximum capacity. It also allows them to comply to the CDM 2015 regulations for health and safety. You have to have quite good attention to detail and be able to sort of have a keen eye for picking up all the details that you need to find. If there's one thing out of place, it can return comments and it doesn't put us in the best light, so you've got to have the attention to detail. Doing it well makes sure that the client gets a full service from us from start to finish. What makes Spencer good on the handbacks is we engage with the client early and we keep in touch with them, holding regular meetings. It gives them their say throughout the project as well. The thing I love about my job is being able to get out to the sites, see what's going on, be able to engage with the site teams and the clients early and see the project really progress. And while we compile all the documentation, we also get to see the files grow as well as the projects grow at the same time.